Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zillow Rental Manager easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, go to the Zillow Rental Manager website. Click on the sign up button if you are a new user. If you already have an account, click on login. Enter your email address and password, then click sign in. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Listings section. Click on Add a Listing to start creating your rental listing. Enter the property address in the designated field. Fill in the required details about the property, including the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Select the type of property you are listing, such as apartment, house, or condo. Upload high-quality photos of the property that showcase its best features. Add a compelling property description that highlights key amenities and nearby attractions. Set your rental price based on market research and comparable properties. Choose your availability date to let potential renters know when they can move in. Select any additional fees and deposits that may apply to the rental. Review the listing details for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, click on the Publish Listing button to make your rental live. After publishing, monitor inquiries and applications regularly. Respond promptly to interested renters to keep them engaged. Utilize the Zillow Rental Manager dashboard to manage your listing efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.